Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today we're making fancy earring hooks with Argentine silver wire. Stay till the end of the video to find out about hypoallergenic wires for earrings. You're going to need flush cutters, flat pliers, round nose pliers, and I have my beadle-on bail making pliers. So we'll start with about 2 inches of the 21 gauge half-hard Argentine silver wire, and we are going to turn the end into a little circle with our precision round nose pliers. So just hold the end of the wire and bring it around with the tips of the round nose pliers, and then just press in that little end so it's a closed loop. Make it quite small. And then we're going to stack up the wires so they're right beside each other. Puts the ends flush. Make sure they line up. And then we're going to get the round nose pliers and start the curve at the end. So just curve it around, and then we can get our beadle-on bail making pliers to finish that curve so they're the same size. Just wiggle it around so we have what looks like a little hook. Then we're going to get the larger part of the bail making pliers and bring the wires around into a larger hook. So just bring it around, push the wires over, squish it in a little bit. So we've got our hooks, and then we're going to bend them out with the flat nose pliers. And from there, you can clip them so they'll be the same length. And then we need to soften the ends with the burr tool. So you can use a file if you prefer. Do any little adjustments that you need with the flat nose pliers. And you could fix up that curve. Just push the wires in. And there we have our fancy hooks. And then I'll link up this video where I made my own head pins. We're going to use some of these DIY head pins. I just made a simple one with one little bead that you just hook right on there and just close it up. Just pinch it closed, and they make very, very simple, beautiful earrings. This is a nice classic design for earring hooks. And as for ear wires, the niobium ear wires are nickel-free and hypoallergenic. Titanium wires are nickel-free and hypoallergenic. Rhodium-plated earrings are also hypoallergenic. Gold-plated brass hooks are also nickel-free. 304 grade stainless steel contains about 10% of nickel. It's okay for sensitive ears, but it's not hypoallergenic. 316 gauge steel is considered to be surgical steel and is a little better than the 304 grade. 9.25 sterling silver is a good metal, but some sterling can contain nickel. Argentine silver is tarnish resistant and is more pure than sterling silver. 14 and 18 karat gold contain small amounts of nickel, and 24 karat gold has less than 0.1% nickel. I will link up some other tutorials to make your own earring hooks in the description below the video. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.